Hi, I'm Dr. Natalie MacNab, Professional Services Vet for IDEXX in Southern Australia. Today we are talking about client expectations with regards to preventive care. We will be looking at the Animal Medicines Australia Pet Ownership Survey results. This is valuable information for us to be aware of as it helps us understand the importance of preventive care. Every 3 years, Animal Medicines Australia conducts a pet ownership survey. Australian adult pet owners are invited to complete an online survey, with there being just over 2,000 respondents in 2019. The survey asks a range of questions around demographics, what type of pets they own and how many, what they perceive the benefits of pet ownership to be, how much time they spend with their pet, factors influencing pet ownership, etc. One of the questions asked is the main role pets play in the household. There was a change in pet owner attitude identified in the 2016 survey compared to the 2013 survey, in that dogs and cats were increasingly seen as members of the family, so the fur children or the fur babies, rather than just as companions, indicating the relationship has become more personal. The results of the 2019 survey continue to demonstrate that the majority of dogs and cats are seen as members of the family. The 2019 survey identified that pet roles appear strongly tied to generational attitudes, in that dogs are especially likely to be considered members of the family by the younger generations and more likely to be considered simply companions by the older generations. Interestingly, no such differences are evident for cat roles among different age groups. If the amount of money spent is any indication of the value Australian households place on their pets, then they could well be considered priceless. Ongoing self-reported expenditure on pet-related products and services in Australia is now estimated at more than $13 billion a year, up from $12 billion in 2016. Food remains the standout at 30% of all ongoing expenditure. This is followed by vet services at 20% of people's total spend, pet healthcare products at 11%, and products and accessories at 9%. With regards to veterinary services, Australian pet owners are now reportedly spending more than $2.6 billion annually at the vet, up 19% or some $414 million since 2016. Dog and cat owners who visit the vet are going multiple times a year, averaging 2.1 visits per dog and 1.7 per cat. The most common reasons tended to be checkups and vaccinations, followed by general illness or injury, desexing and dentistry. Reported reasons for visits have remained largely consistent over the past 3 years, with a few notable increases, including dogs being taken in for dentistry, up from 6% to 10%, dogs being taken in for surgery, up from 3% to 6%, and cats being vaccinated, up from 47% to 56%. The results from the 2016 survey showed a marked shift in the role of vets according to pet owners. In 2013, 85% of respondents advised that they felt vets were there to treat sickness, compared with the 2016 results, in which the majority of pet owners felt that vets were there to treat pets when they were sick, as well as to keep pets healthy. So these survey results show us that owners want vets to place much more emphasis on maintaining their pets' health. In the 2019 survey, when asked about the role of vets, pet owners tended to agree that they mostly think of their vet when their pets are sick or to keep their pets healthy. This is largely consistent with the 2016 findings. Around 54% of pet owners agree that vets provide preventative advice. This is up from 47% in 2016.